So let's going to see about the software engineering models. In software development lifecycle, it is the process of planning, designing, developing, testing, and deploying a high quality software at the lowest cost possible. So to achieve this goal, software engineer team must choose the correct software development model to fit their organizations or requirements according to these stakeholders. So they are primary software development models. Such we can see advantages and also at the same time disadvantages. So the first model is waterfall model. The waterfall model was the first approach to the software development. As the name indicates, the process involves moving up to down, which is the linear development strategies. So first requirement and analysis is handled. After that process completed, then only we can move to the next iteration, that is design model. After completing design model, the development model has been implemented. After the development model has completed, the testing model have been started, and using many testing concepts that the software is tested, and after deployment, that is debug operations, and after the maintenance. So every stage is well defined with the specific deliveries and milestones. So some of the advantages of waterfall model is sequentially linear. This have to complete from begin the next step and cannot begin with until the current stage is complete. So the stage is complete when the goal are met, then only we can move on to the next stage. Some signs of the project. There is no flexibility in this model because you cannot skip, backtrack or overlap the stages. As a result, adjusting is difficult and expensive. Regardless of when errors are found, they cannot fixed until the maintenance stage. This is the waterfall method. Requirement analysis is completed, then design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. So the lack of flexibility makes this model more costly. Additionally, waterfall model is not ideal for long, complex and ongoing projects where more flexibility is required. The disadvantages of waterfall model are prominent and significant. It can be useful or small and one-time projects with few requirements and short timelines because it is simple and can be quickly configured. The team must ensure all requirements and well-defined ambiguous fixed. However, the disadvantages of waterfall model override the advantages. This model has lost popularly as IT teams practice more agile mode development, software development, allowing for increased flexibility, communication, and continuous deployment. So this is the B model. Next, we're going to see about the B model. It will represent as B type. So first we will at the same time the requirement analysis and testing, system design and system testing, architecture design and integration testing, model design, unit testing and coding. So at that same time the testing will be conducted at same time. So this will happen to the larger cycle. The V model validation verification model expands the waterfall model with the addition early testing. So the addition V model are greater chance of choose that of waterfall model. Next we are going to see about the iterative model. The iterative model is represents as it's continuous process. So here the initial planning has been planning, requirement, what are the things required, analysis, design, implementation, testing and evaluation. So here we can consider the deployment for the next stage. So this iterative model allows the software to continue to evolve and grow as small changes can be made throughout the process as iteration. This is prototype model. So first requirement analysis design. Prototype has been evaluated to the customer evaluation and reviews and updates. Again the development need is satisfied. So after that the satisfied the customer satisfaction, we can move on the testing and maintenance. The prototype model is centered around increasing the development team Understanding of customer wants need by creating prototypes, by creating a working small scale replica of desired software program. Miscommunication, misunderstandings can be resolved before full development occurs. Next is we are going to see about the spiral model. So here the process will be divided into four. That is really process. First one is identify, resolve, test, plan, and the determine objective. Thank you.